Hi there, my name's Cesar Dacol Jr. I'm a creature art director working for the film and television industry. I've been involved with ZBrush since version 1.5. It's been one heck of a journey. I use it every single day on so many different productions, on Stranger Things, on Umbrella Academy, and it's been nothing but a joy throughout my entire journey. For ZBrush 3, I was part of the beta testing team. I was part of the beta for many years, and I had the immense privilege of receiving a message from Jaime saying that my image had been chosen as the image that would be going out to announce the new ZBrush 3, and so I'm eternally grateful for that as well. I have bought in hook, line, and sinker. Everywhere I go, I spread the gospel of goodness that ZBrush is. I've often said that I believe it's one of those things that I will be continuing to do even in my retirement. I love teaching it. I love seeing the excitement. I love seeing the aha moments that people have when when they get in there. And so, if you're new to ZBrush, keep plugging away because the journey is worth it. And before you know it, 20 years have gone by.